Additional challenge. Jill lives 3.5 miles from school. One morning, her friend was giving her a ride. When they were 2/3 of the way to school, their car broke down and they had to walk the rest of the way. Draw a picture to help you figure out how far they walked. So in this problem specifically, we're being asked to draw a picture of this situation. So let's take a look again what the given information is. So 3.5 is the distance between Jill's home to school. And then we know that they were at 2/3 of the way to school, the car broke. So that's important information. That means they walked, so they had to walk for the rest of the way. So we know that the whole distance is 3.5 miles. However, we know that also 2/3 they use a car, and after that they walked. So how much did they walk if the total is one whole, right? So the total distance as a whole means that they walked 1/3. So together makes one whole. So that's what we need to do. So the first thing is we know that they walked 1/3 of the path. So 1/3 of the path was walking. Now how far was from that path? So they gave it to us. So our diagram should represent 1/3 of 3.5. So when we're drawing the diagram, let's start with the path, and then to represent 1/3 we need to divide into 3 pieces and only take one. So divide and then shade or represent. So that's going to give us that information. Now this is a very good idea to use graph paper. We are given a half, so I'm going to my scale will be for one of my squares will be a half in terms of a length. So if I start from 0, or that will be where she is, over here will represent one whole. So we're drawing basically a number line. And I do not need the 4, but I do need a 3.5. So I do know that these halves are in between. So right now our distance that we're looking for is from 0 all the way to the 3.5. So that is what we just drew. And let's rewrite them. Okay, so if you haven't drawn it yet, go ahead and do it. Now we need to figure out how to do 1/3 of that number. So one way to think is we have 3 whole numbers. So what's 1/3 of 3, right? So you have 3 whole numbers only. 1, 2, 3. 1/3 is the first one. So we know the answer will be at least 1 mile, right? So the first one, if we divide in 3 equal pieces, we only need this one. So that's 1/3, so that's one whole. Now we have 1/2 left over to divide by 3 as well. So we want to represent as 1/3. So this is the 3.5. So let me write it down. 3.5 is that location. So how do we divide a half into a third? So in 3 equal pieces, so we have as a measurement it's a half and here's a half, but we need to divide it in 3 pieces. So what would that number be? So that's what we're missing. So 1/2 divided by 3, or the other thinking could be 1/3 of the 1/2, right? So 1/2 times 1/3. So it will be 1/6, 1/6. So right here is 1/6. So based on the diagram, they walked 1 whole and then 1 out of 6. So that will be the answer based on the diagram. The other way we could write this problem is our path is 3.5 and then times that 1/3. Remember how we started, we need 1/3 of the path. To show work, you want to convert that into a fraction bigger than 1. so that you don't have a mixed number. So try that one on your own, but again, our answer based on the diagram should be they walked 1 and 1/6.